Have you heard about the $750 Cash App offer circulating online? Many people are curious if it's real or just another internet scam. Here's a breakdown of how it works and what you need to know before diving in. The $750 Cash App reward is often part of promotional giveaways or reward programs. Typically, users are asked to complete a series of tasks such as signing up for offers, downloading apps, or subscribing to services. Once all required steps are completed, users may become eligible to receive a payout, sometimes up to $750, sent directly to their Cash App account. However, while some of these programs are legitimate, others can be misleading or even risky. It's crucial to research the source of the offer and read the fine print. Never provide sensitive personal information or your Cash App login credentials. If you're looking to participate, always use trusted websites and avoid links from sketchy social media posts. While the idea of free money is tempting, staying safe online is more valuable. In short, yes, $750 to your Cash App is possible, but only if you're cautious and follow legit steps. Always prioritize your security over quick cash. To get this gift, check the description box, then click the link and apply. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like this video and put a comment. For more updates, subscribe my channel.